Well, you can't use that objection any longer because the election is over. And regardless of the winners and losers, everyone I know is just happy it is done. And if you're a proponent of private property rights, Governor Lombardo's strategy to defeat a supermajority in our state's legislature was the biggest victory. This will result in the need for thoughtful, bipartisan bills that make sense for Nevada. Hello and welcome to this gratitude edition of the Monthly Market Update, where after the stats, I'll share some industry updates, continued positive news regarding Southern Nevada's economy, and we'll wrap it up with our holiday message. But first, at almost 6,000, the float of for-sale inventory is up close to 33% from this time last year, as 3,114 new listings came to market in October, up 1.6% from September. New sales were flat in the 2,000 range, but closed sales enjoyed just below a 7% increase from September and remain ahead of last year by 3.3%. The median sales price slipped less than 1% to $475,487, while the median price per square foot increased by $1 to $259. And the average days on the market rose by 3 days to a still healthy 38. These anemic sales numbers are mirrored nationally as Fannie Mae declared that 2024's sales pace could be the worst year for home sales since 1995. Yet their projections for 2025 reflect a healthy 10% increase, growing from roughly 4 million to 4.5 million, with the anticipation of lower interest rates and pent-up demand being the main cause. Despite the low sales count, Housing Wire announced the average American homeowner just gained another $25,000 in equity, and Nevadans enjoyed an even higher $36,000 increase from last year. For the first time in a long time, and for the last time, the Oakland A's played their final game in the Coliseum in front of a sad and sold-out fan base and were victorious over the Texas Rangers, as the A's prepare for their 2028 relocation to Las Vegas after playing a few seasons at a temporary facility in Sacramento. And to better accommodate these loyal fans, Reid Airport is preparing for a much-needed expansion that would increase Terminal 1 from 39 to 65 gates. North America's 7th busiest airport averages 5 million passengers monthly and enjoyed record volume of 5.4 million passengers in 2023. Expect 2028 to be a huge year for Las Vegas, as this expansion and many other developments are set for completion in that year. In a continued commitment to improve healthcare in the Valley, Intermountain Health announced Las Vegas' first and only standalone comprehensive children's hospital at UNLV's Harry Reid Research and Technology Park at Sunset and Durango. More details to come. The Las Vegas Global Economic Alliance recently proclaimed that Southern Nevada added 41,500 new jobs in the last year, which is up 3.7%, and total employment that pales pre-pandemic job counts. And finally, and perhaps in summary, it truly seems that the press has an insatiable appetite to report positively on all that is Las Vegas. From GQ to CNN, Business Insider, LA Times, Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Politico, and more. All seem totally mesmerized by the way we continually redefine entertainment and hospitality from which the whole world can learn. So I called this our gratitude edition, and with the glowing reports we just shared, how can any of us be anything less than extremely grateful for this amazing community which we call home? Additionally, with Thanksgiving just around the corner, we want to thank you, our loyal clients, for your continued support of the almost 300 sales professionals that call Coldwell Banker Premier Realty and Coldwell Banker Commercial Premier their work home. Thanks for making us your real estate company of choice. Have a safe, relaxing, and enjoyable Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next month. Bye-bye.